Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. We're looking at oil today after it's had quite a good surge in the last few trading sessions, jumping over $10 a barrel, and we are looking like it's bouncing off the 64 handle, heading towards 73 now, just hovering around this area, consolidating until the next signal, because the last couple of days saw a $5 jump. And this is due to supply concerns for the rest of 2023. If you think about, less Russian oil and gas in the world now. But on the flip side of that, we have countries like China, India that are agreeing to buy this cheap oil from Russia. So it's not looking likely that supply issues are concerning at the moment, but they could be if a recession is on the cards in the next quarter at least, well, as we head out of the first quarter of this year and go into the next one in the near term as well. So as I said, moving around the $73 handle, we were hoping for a push to $80 by the end of this week, but we're having a bit of a contraction at the moment, a little bit of leeway. Bulls are taking a breather for a little bit until hopefully, well, for the bull's sake anyway, for buyers in the market, that they'll start pushing higher towards the $80 region. So we haven't seen these prices for roughly 2 weeks. As I said, we have had a bit of a slope to the downside since we moved out of a bullish channel, which we're going to look at now. So this is on the daily chart. So as you can see, the dissension for most of 2022, especially with the Fed raising interest rates as well, there was supposed to be less money in the world for this year. But now, as you can see here, we were in a slight bullish trend a few sessions ago. Until we had a confirmation of a break and then a collapse. This was in the middle of March, just a couple of weeks ago. Since then, though, as I said, $64 bounce, and then we're now trading towards the higher end of $73 until yesterday. Actually, the bearish candle did come in quite significantly, just to halt proceedings and start moving a little bit less to the upside. But as you can see here on the 4-hour chart, most interestingly enough, we are still in a bull territory. You can see clearly that we are now looking more likely, that we will continue this bullish trend to the upside as well. The only thing I'm concerned about is the RSI is showing very overbought signals. Excuse me. So this could lead to quite a big reversal, possibly back down towards the lower end of this particular so I got my wrong arrow out there, towards the back down towards $70, and this could see some firm support before we get another lift to the upside. So this is what we'll be looking at in the near term at least, possibly a move to $71, $70, and then possibly another move back up to test these recent highs, roughly at the high end of $73. So with a few supply chain disruptions and also the worry that there is going to be a possible recession coming, is it going to be a case of oil just giving a little bit more of a push to the upside, or will we have a fully fledged reversal back down towards $70 in the near term? We'll have to wait and see, but the indications are looking likely that we will have another bull run in the near term at least. Just want to look on Brent as well. It's looking likely that it's moving in the same direction as West Texas Intermediate oil or crude oil. So as you can see here, big dissension for most of last year, but on the daily chart, as you can see, nice push to the upside here in a nice bullish channel after this collapse, and we could be looking at a slight V-shaped recovery as well. We never know if it's going to go all the way, but if we do break past certain certain resistance points, if we look on the 4-hour chart, it'll be a little bit easy to see. So if we do look on certain resistant areas, such as where we just were placing now, roughly about $79, we could see another move to the upside. But oil is very, very precarious at the moment. It's a little bit troublesome to see where the next signal is. It's not like gold, where we've had some good opportunities in the last few weeks, especially with the banking crisis. With oil, it's hit and miss with EIA data and other API data as well coming out. See if there's builds in the oil refineries or not. Obviously, oil is taking the form of really fundamental news events. So we haven't had many of those at the moment. We're just waiting to see where the next big move is, but we'll obviously keep you updated on oil. If you are an oil trader, please let us know. We'll be posting this video, as I said, as we usually do, on our Telegram and YouTube channels, and we'll be getting back to you as soon as we can. So as I said, oil is not such a favourable commodity at the moment, but it is giving us some good gains in the near term. And as I said, for West Texas Intermediate, if we can push past the $74, $75 handle, then we could see this V-shaped recovery since the collapse a couple of weeks ago. So we'll keep you posted on that, and let us know what you think as well. So have a great trading day ahead, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.